Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, if you are trying to delete apps from your iPhone but you are unable to see the button or the option to delete the apps from your iPhone like this, here I will show you how can you fix this issue and how can you delete apps from your iPhone. So guys, as you can see this, if I am trying to delete this app, it gives no option to delete the app. So as you can see this, there is no option to delete this app. Since you want to delete some apps from your iPhone, here I will show you how can you delete them if you are also facing this problem or you are unable to find the delete button from your iPhone to delete the apps. So guys, this is very basic and simple. You can easily do this. All you have to do is that simply open settings and scroll it below and go to screen time, and then scroll it below and tap on content and privacy restrictions, tap on apps installations and purchases, and then go to deleting apps. And from here, if it is checked on don't allow, then check this to allow from here, and after this go back and now close this window and now try to delete any app from here. So as here I am deleting this app, tap and hold the app and tap on remove app button, and here you can see delete button to delete the app. So guys, once you tap on delete app, the app will be deleted from your iPhone. So guys, in this way you can also delete apps from your iPhone very easily. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.